Alright, if you have ever watched an OpenBOR video and thought, this looks amazing, but how do I actually play this stuff? You're not alone. OpenBOR can feel confusing at first, especially if you're coming from regular PC games or emulation. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install and play OpenBOR games on both Windows and Android, step by step, no guesswork, and no tech wizardry required. By the end, you'll be up and running. You can even play some OpenBOR games online with friends. First, let's clear one thing up. OpenBOR is not a single game. It is an engine. The actual games come as separate files, usually with a .pak extension. Think of the OpenBOR engine as the console, and the Pak files as the cartridges. Installing and opening BOR on Windows. We'll start with Windows, because this is the easiest and most flexible platform. Step 1. Download the OpenBOR engine. This is the main hub for OpenBOR development and releases. Look for the latest Windows build of OpenBOR and download it. You will usually get a zip file. Step 2. Extract and set up the folder. Create a new folder anywhere you like. Desktop is fine. Game folder is fine. Name it something simple like OpenBOR. Extract the contents of the zip file into this folder. Inside, you should see the OpenBOR executable, usually called OpenBOR.exe. Now, inside this same folder, create a new subfolder and name it exactly Paks. Paks. Capitalization matters here, so do not rename it randomly. Step 3. Download OpenBORGames. OpenBORGames are usually shared as .pak files. You can find them on Chrono Crash community forums or developer pages. Once downloaded, do not extract them. Just take the Pak files as they are. Step 4. Install the games. Move or copy all your Pak files directly into the Paks folder you created earlier. That is it. There's no installer, no setup wizard, no nothing else. Step 5. Run the engine. Double-click OpenBOR.exe. If everything is set up correctly, the engine will launch and automatically detect all the games in the Paks folder. You will see a game selection menu. Choose a game and press Enter to start playing. Controls and video options. By default, you can navigate menus with the arrow keys and Enter. Inside the game, you can configure controls for keyboard or gamepad. OpenBOR supports controllers very well. You can also access video settings to change resolution or switch to full screen if needed. Installing and playing OpenBOR on Android. Android takes a few extra steps, but once it's set up, it works great. Step 1. Download the OpenBOR APK. Again, go to the Chrono Crash forums and download the Android APK version of OpenBOR. Make sure you are downloading from a trusted source. Step 2. Install the APK. Transfer the APK to your Android device if needed, then install it. You may need to enable Install from Unknown Sources in your phone's settings. Step 3. Set up folders. This step is crucial. Using a file manager, go to your internal storage or SD card. Create a folder called OpenBOR, all lowercase. Inside that folder, create another folder called Paks, all lowercase. The full path should look like /SD card /OpenBOR/Paks or /MNT /SD card /OpenBOR/Paks, depending on your device. Step 4. Transfer games. Move your .pak files into the Paks folder. Just like on Windows, do not extract them. Step 5. Play. Open the OpenBOR app. It should automatically scan the Paks folder and display your games. Tap 1 and start playing. You can configure on-screen controls or use a Bluetooth controller for a much better experience. Playing OpenBOR games online. OpenBOR does not have native online multiplayer, but there are solid workarounds. Steam Remote Play Together. This is the easiest method. Add OpenBOR.exe to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. Launch it through Steam, start a game, then invite your friends using Remote Play Together. Your friends will join as if they are sitting next to you. This works especially well for beat-em-ups. Alternative option. Some players also use Parsec or similar desktop streaming tools. These allow low-latency screen sharing and controller input, which makes co-op play surprisingly smooth. Tips for a better experience. On Windows, you can use Launchbox to organize your OpenBOR collection. Set OpenBOR start.bat in all caps as the emulator for clean launching. On Android, if a game does not run properly, tools like WinLater can help by emulating a Windows environment. Always use a controller if possible. OpenBOR games are designed for arcade-style input, and it shows. Once you get past the initial setup, OpenBOR becomes incredibly simple and addictive. Drop in a new pack, launch the engine, and you're playing. That's the magic of it. So, that's everything you need to get started with OpenBOR on both Windows and Android. Once the engine is set up, adding new games is as simple as dropping a single file into a folder and hitting play. Whether you're running solo, couch co-op, or using online workarounds to play with friends, OpenBOR opens the door to an insane library of fan-made beat-em-ups and more. If this helped, drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more deep dive gaming guides. That's Elijah out, and I'll see you guys next time.